Hi everybody, this is Shamanic from Shamanic Arts, and today I want to showcase my new tool, SkyboxPlayer. It's available at skyboxplayer-shamanicarts.replit.app, and it's a useful tool for viewing and interacting with equirectangular 360 Skybox content. So when you go to the website, this is the page that you get. We've got some media already loaded in, but you can also upload your own. So let me quickly demonstrate that. If we upload main, and then let's upload this one. So as you can see, it loads in the content, and we won't play it right now, but this is a Skybox in SkyboxPlayer. One of the extra features that SkyboxPlayer has is the ability to move around in 360 degrees. So you have full drone controls to be able to move around this content. Another feature that it has is if we upload depth content with our main content, so that is here. If we upload depth content, then our content will be displaced. Oh, is it? Yep, there we go. So currently our content is displaced. It's quite light right now, but we can see that here is our depth layer. And here are the normals. And we can change the scale of the depth and the strength of the normals. And you can see a very subtle but clear depth displacement effect. Mileage may vary depending on what you are using. But yes, this is that thing. We can load content, and you can see that the video is playing. So let's take that depth displacement down a little bit to something a little bit more normal. But yeah, so you can move around in 360 content with depth displacement. I'll bring that back to kind of a normal range. But yeah, so that's super useful. This app works on desktop, on mobile, and it also works on VR via web VR. So that works on both standalone and desktop VR. You can just go to this site here. We also have some controls for video speed. You can change the speed that the content is being played at. You can change your movement speed. So now our boost is much faster. And we also have a video recorder built in. It currently only supports WebM. We are working on supporting other codecs as well. And we have some orbit presets, so if you wanted to record content inside of this Skybox viewer for previs, for Instagram content, for whatever, you can do so. You can click on this and it will do some camera movements. So that is SkyboxPlayer, a free tool for 360 equirectangular content, for viewing 360 equirectangular content on desktop, mobile, and VR. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some good use out of it. If you enjoy my work and you want to support me, I do have a Patreon where you can support me there. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. This is Shamanic from Shamanic Arts signing out. Peace.